Ladies and gentlemen, you are not here by accident. You clicked this video because something inside you knows it's time to change. In today's video, I will be sharing how I, a typical Bangladeshi boy, turned himself into an international business content creator by just shifting his mindset. Yes, by just shifting his mindset. And I will be sharing how you can empower your mind to achieve your success. If I can do it, you can surely do it too. Before starting out, here is a small request. I am on a mission to connect with 1000 small business owners and entrepreneurs. Feel free to subscribe if you want to support me and join me in this mission. The first thing I want you to do to empower your mind is to embrace a growth mindset. Generally, as a human being, we have two types of mindsets. First one is fixed mindset and second one is a growth mindset. Those two have different type of characteristics, but if you want to become successful, you have to develop a growth mindset. Let me tell you a story to clear everything up. When I was in class 9, we have to select whether we can go to commerce, science or arts. Back then, I was a little bit weak in mathematics, and that's why my parents decided to put me in commerce section because I was weak in mathematics and science was fully backed up by mathematical subjects like higher maths, physics and so on. From that example, you can understand what a fixed mindset looks like. A fixed mindset always thinks that I am not capable of it because I haven't have the talent. But on the other side, a growth mindset always thinks about, yes, how can I improve myself? They are not stuck onto a single thought process and they are continuously learning. They have the mindset to think like this, like if I put my effort and my determination onto something, I can achieve it. So if my parents was not a victim of fixed mindset, they might think to put me on science section and see what I can achieve. But that doesn't mean what they have done is wrong. This is the characteristics of these two mindset. That fixed mindset will always think about the safety and they will always fear about what is coming up. But growth mindset will always embrace what is coming up. They generally don't fear about what is coming up and they are really confident about their abilities, what they can achieve without their talent, just with their perseverance and hard work. That's why as a business owner, you should always embrace a growth mindset. The next mindset shift is very important for my fellow business owners and entrepreneurs. And that is focusing on the problem, not on the product. Let's talk about the footwear giant Nike. When they were started, they solely focused on solving sports athletes' problem. Solving the problems first is a champion's mindset because by solving a problem, product will eventually come. If you find the correct problem that your customer are facing, product will be much more developed, much more thoughtful and mindful about the problem that your customers are facing. To find out a problem, you have to think narrow, not broad. Just like the example I have given, Nike, they were solely focusing on sports shoes and not focused on other shoes option in the market. They might be looking for luxurious shoes at first, but no, they didn't do that. They were focusing narrowly on sports athletes problem and especially on marathon runners who runs a long distance. By focusing on marathon runners, they found out so many problems and hidden pain points of marathon runners that other competitors are not even looking for. When you adapt thinking narrow but not broad mindset, you will find so much hidden pain points of your customers that your competitors are not aware of. If you pursue and empower your mind to think like this, you will come up with unique product ideas that will rule the market and also satisfy your customers. The next mindset shift I want you to make is embracing imperfections. Okay, if you look at my older videos, you will realize that how bad my production quality, my accent, my speech style is. But still I am uploading my videos and this will be my 11th long form video onto this channel. Whenever I watch other creators' video, then I really find myself nowhere onto the race. But the main thing that I remind myself is the race is just with myself, not with others. And I have set my mind up for embracing my imperfections. So I want you to embrace your imperfections too, because no one is perfect in this world and no one will be perfect. If I take myself as an example, when I uploaded my first YouTube video, I was not perfect, and now I am recording my 11th long form YouTube video and still I am not perfect. And I will also encourage you to embrace imperfections, because perfection is the killer of creativity. And you know what? Creativity is the pillar of success. If you are creative enough, you will be successful today or tomorrow. So always try to embrace your imperfections. Next up, you have to value process over result. So what does it mean? Imagine you have planted a tree. So now the process will include watering the tree, taking care of it, and if any weed is gathering around the tree, you have to cut it down. So this is the process, and the result is the fruit that we'll get from the tree, right? If you don't value the process, then the result, that means the fruit that you will get from the tree, will never come, because the process is much more important than the result. If I be more practical about it, whether you are watch this video or not is not in my hand, right? I have no superpower to keep you watching, so that is not onto my hand. But what is on my hand is to record this video, edit it nicely, and upload it onto the YouTube. So this is the process that I have to go through. If I am in love with the process and also value the process, the result will eventually come, right? So valuing the process over the result is one thing that will surely help you to boost your confidence and also empower your mind to be successful in your business and make you wealthy. You are not a slave of your mind, right? So set up realistic goals and be realistic on the process that you will go through. Before uploading this video, I have a lot of process, a lot of things to go through, just like editing, recording this video, and then uploading. I have divided all the activities into realistic goals, just like when I end my scripting, when I will record my video, when I will edit my video, when I will upload the video. That is my goal. So I have break down the big task into small bite-sized realistic projects, so the whole process become easier and it seems more realistic too. As a business owner, break down all your big tasks into small pieces so that it can become more realistic to achieve. I will suggest you to make it as a habit and build it as a mindset to become more successful in your business. As a business owner, you also know how harmful and how dangerous staying in the comfort zone can be. Get out of your comfort zone and save it onto your mind, right? You can see my bed in my background. If I was lying down in my bed, I would never ever able to make this video. So just step out of your comfort zone, get out of the box, think out of the box, and do what it takes to become successful. Dear friends, I know how hard it is to getting out of your comfort zone, but you can do it, my friend. I want you to remind of your proudest accomplishment that you have achieved in your life. I want you to remind that proudest moment, because when you achieved that proudest moment in your life, you were not on your comfort zone. You have stepped out back then to become proud of yourself, and now I want you to remind of that proudest moment and feel more confident about yourself that you can do it. You are worthy, you are capable, you are strong. You can do it, my friend. You can do it. The next mindset shift that will make you wealthy and successful in your business, that is developing a positive self-talk. As we know, we go through tens of thousands of thoughts every single day. So if our thought process is negative and is negative to ourselves, that will really hamper your growth. By positive self-talk, you will get the confidence that you need from yourself. You will get the inner strength that you need to prosper and stick to your values and goals. Positive self-talk will help you to boost self-confidence that is so much needed as a business owner and entrepreneur, because self-confidence is the key to maintain a team as well as building a business. So it is my humble request to you, my friends, to develop and nurture a positive self-talk with yourself, and by this, today or tomorrow, you will be successful, and that is my guarantee. We are humans and we are social creatures. We live in a society and we live in neighborhoods, and that's why we fall into comparison traps. And the next thing I want you to set up in your mind is avoid comparison traps. Stop comparing with others. Yes, just stop it right now. If you have the power to compare yourself to others, then don't use it right now. Keep it on a box and lock it on your wardrobe. So always remember, stop comparing yourself with others, stop comparing your business with others' business, stop comparing yourself with other entrepreneurs to become successful, empower your mind, and become wealthy and successful. Last but not least thing you can introduce to yourself is a morning routine. There is a famous saying that morning shows the day. So we have to prioritize our mornings. Every successful business owners and human beings are following a good morning routine. Without a morning routine, they can just imagine their day. My morning routine includes meditation, a little bit stretching, and working outside for 10 to 15 minutes. So you can include whatever you like to do in the morning in your morning routine, but keep that in mind. You have to have a morning routine so that you will set up the foundation of your day on the right way. So there you have it, the mindset shift that make me from being an ordinary Bangladeshi to becoming international business content creator. And I am sure if you follow all these things I've mentioned in this video, you will be able to change your life too and become more successful in your business and be more wealthy in your life. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.